Tutorial, I will guide you how you can insert pound currency symbol in Word. So for this, you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side, you will see that symbols. And now click on the more symbols. And in the font section, you need to select normal text. And in the subsect, you need to select Latin 1 supplement. And find the pound symbol, and here is the pound symbol. You just need to select it and click insert and close it, and this is what you can easily insert symbol. Go to the home and increase the font. Another way is that you need to type 00A3 and click Alt X. So this is the shortcut. So you can easily type insert pound currency symbol in MS Word. So if you think this video is helpful and you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.